Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from our newest location, 1443. That's right, we are 3 doors down like the group. And what do we have today? We have probably one of my favorite new products that just came out. Now, if you recall, at the SEMA show and then the Keystone Big Show, I did videos of this product, and we finally got a first shipment about a month and a half ago, and we're now putting it on, and I am so happy. The fit and finish is terrific on that. But before we get started, that is our telephone number. If you have questions, we have great answers. Oh, by the way, feel free to ask questions on the bottom. I do get to them eventually. So come on over here. We have the Ford F-150, one of the best-selling trucks out there. And what do we have? Well, eventually this might be the best-selling cover out there. We'll see. I think it's going to get there. This is the MX4 by Back Industries, and it's the new MX4 with the TS T-slots. Now, we also put some Truxedo tie-downs on here. Now, I love this setup. I think this is a great setup. Let me tell you why I think it's great. Well, some of the things they changed, obviously they added a T-slot. Now, this is not a added on T-slot. This is built into the rail, and I think that's better. They also Line-X the top on this. So, and besides looking better, because I like the look of the Line-X, it's tougher. It's going to take more abuse. So if you're going to beat on your cover, this one's going to be the best one. This is going to be like your tank model of the covers. It will take a lot of abuse on here. Looks good, functions good, and this one also holds 400 pounds. That's right. Now, that is evenly distributed. You don't want Uncle Louie standing in the middle doing a Russian dance, okay? It's basically put in plywood here. Now, of course, if you're putting something on here, you got these tie downs, you can secure it very easily. Now, this is also one of the best folding covers, and they have a terrific warranty. This is going to have a 5-year manufacturer warranty. But you know what? I don't think that's enough. So we're going to double the warranty to 10 years. How do we do that? Well, we're a Real Truck authorized dealer, and we have signed up for the double the warranty program on the Real Truck products, which this product is part of. So if we install it, and that's the big thing, if we install it, we can double that warranty from 5 to 10. Great warranty. Also, we're going to give you 1 year labor on that. Basically, they'll send you the parts, but they don't send you a guy to fix it or put it on. So for an entire year, I'll cover your labor, including adjustments. So come on over here, Caleb. Let's take a look how this works. You do have a left and right release mechanism. Why is that good? Well, let's say you're pulling off the side of the road and all the traffic is on one side. You might want to swing around the other side. It's a little safer there. Now let's go to open it up. Oh, by the way, if you look here, it's got a nice double seal, and that's going to help keep Mother Nature out. Now, this is not a submarine, I'm sorry to tell you. So it will not keep every drop of water out. These are not designed to be waterproof. They're water resistant, weather resistant. Now, they've done a lot to help with that. This larger rail, besides having a T-slot, actually does a better job of keeping the water out as well. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now, you can drive the way you see it here. So you got a little locking mechanism. This goes right in here. You secure it up here. Now, for the video, I'm only doing one side, but you want to do both. And you definitely want to do it because if you're on the highway, the wind could catch us and slam it, and they'll make a lot of noise, scare you in the car. So make sure you always secure it. Now, as you know, actually most people don't know, a lot of trifold covers are not 3 folds. Now, you think trifold, isn't it 3 folds? Well, no, a lot of times it's only 2 folds. Now, this cover is a true trifold cover. So it folds all the way up here. Now, if you look here before up here, it does have little bumpers here. And that's to protect your window. So when it goes there, it's okay. It's designed to touch it. It's got the bumpers to protect it. Now, you can drive with this on the highway. Just gotta lock it in place. Now, if you notice, there's 2 of these here, and I'm only doing one for the video, but got it. I don't know how many times I'm going down the road and I see someone with only one support. Do both. Real important. Now, even though the cab does, the wind is going to go over this anyways, this being the safe side, always put it up there. Now, let's take a look here. What else you need to know? Oh, when this is up, this is going to act as a headache rack. Now, if you're not familiar with that term, you'll see a lot of commercial vehicles where they put a big rack by the rear window. That is to protect the window from things being in the bed. So if you have this up, that means you got something large in the bed. So you're driving down the road, someone cuts you off, you slam on your brakes, all that stuff comes flying forward. Instead of hitting the very delicate rear window, it will hit this. This will protect the occupants inside, protect your window. This is a lot cheaper to fix than your rear window. So when this is up, besides being up and out of the way, it's actually acting as a headache rack, which is really nice. Now, when you close this, if you notice I'm not slamming it, you do not need to slam it. You just close it normal. Now, I like how this one works. I like how it fit and finish. We actually flew through this install, and the reason we went so quick through it, everything fits so nicely. I prefer to sell things that fit better because it's better for the customer, it's better for us. Because you know what? Problems for customers means problems for us. So you sell the better product, everyone's happy. Now, if you notice when I close this, by the way, I do push from the middle. And the reason you don't want to push from one side, well, of course, it's doing it now, but sometimes the other side won't lock. Of course, this fits so nice, it locks anyways. But another nice thing about this, you can close it this way, right? That's good. Or you can close the tailgate that way. Now, a lot of covers, it's one way or the other. This cover, both ways. Another nice feature. As you can see, I'm enthusiastic about this. I like this product. Like I said, when I saw it back in November, I think last year at the Las Vegas SEMA show, and I was just like, yes, I like what they've done. I like the T-slots. I like the new finish on it. I already liked the cover before, but I liked it better. Also, I want you to notice, take a look how low profile this is. That's, besides looking good, this makes it extremely difficult for bad guys to get in there because they really can't get their hand in there. So that's the whole idea here. So it keeps water out, keeps the bad guys out. All in all, great setup here. I love this product. Now you say, you know what, Chris? You got me sold. How do I get it? Well, thank you for asking. You can come to the store, let us put it on, let us double the warranty, let us put that 1-year labor agreement, or we can ship it to you. That's right, we're a modern company. We can ship it anywhere in the United States. We're even going to as far as Alaska and Hawaii. That's right. So Hawaii, by the way, buys a lot. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. In Texas, California, you guys are great too. So if you don't live here in Florida, we got you covered. We can ship it to you. And if you get it, if you have questions on the installation, you can call us. Now, if you go buy from someone else and you have questions on the installation, I'm sorry to say, we're not going to be able to help you. We like to help our customers. We don't have time to help Amazon customers. So again, buy from us, you get us. Again, you get that nice warranties, you get our help, and best of all, you get a wonderful product. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories at our newest location, and this is a review of the backflip MX4TS. That's right, the T-slots. And I tell you, with these things, you can add big racks, you can put safari baskets, you can put kayaks, even a tent. You can do a lot. Once you get these on, the sky's the limit on what you can add to it. Again, thank you so much, and don't forget, like and subscribe. Thanks.